वेलकम टू लर्न शॉर्ट एंड टाइपिंग विद विकास सर। एक्सरसाइज नंबर 13 लीगल मैटर आप लीगल के वर्ड्स आपको ध्यान से सुनने हैं। स्टूडेंट्स, कल हमारी ये क्लास नहीं हो पाई थी। इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप एक दिन क्लास नहीं हो पाए तो आप चैनल को अनसब्सक्राइब करना शुरू कर दें। आपको ऐसा नहीं करना है, थोड़ा सा पेशेंस रखना है। कुछ टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम के कारण हमारी क्लास नहीं हो पाई थी। हम अब अपनी जो कंटिन्यू क्लास रखेंगे हम अपनी डिक्टेशन की। लीगल मैटर आपका 100 वर्ड पर मिनट की डिक्टेशन होगी प्लस, और आपकी आज से हिंदू एडिटोरियल की डिक्टेशन होगी। कल भी नहीं, कल एक दो दिन से नहीं हो पा रही है किसी कारण, क्योंकि यहाँ पे भी बच्चों को डिक्टेशन देनी पड़ती है। कई बार टाइम नहीं मिल पाता हमें यूट्यूब के लिए, लेकिन अब हम कोशिश करेंगे कि हर रोज़ डेली की डेली आपको डिक्टेशन प्रोवाइड की जाए। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। This appeal is preferred against the judgment and final order passed by the High Court Gujarat at Ahmedabad in special civil application of 2008. The respondent was working as a judicial officer under the administrative control of the High Court, namely the appellant herein. Labour Court of Bhavnagar had passed ex parte award in reference number 490 of 1990 in favor of workman, wherein his termination was set aside with a direction to grant consequential benefits. The employer filed miscellaneous application number 92 of 1993 to set aside the ex parte award in the said case, and the Labour Court dismissed the application. Employer filed another miscellaneous application number 37 of 1997 praying to set aside the ex parte award in the said case. Meanwhile, workman filed recovery application of 1997, and the Labour Court directed recovery in pursuance to order passed in reference number 490 of 1990. Challenging the original award and the order passed in recovery application, the employer preferred special civil application, and the High Court dismissed the same. The respondent, as in charge judge of the Labour Court of Bhavnagar, allowed the employer's miscellaneous application number 37 of 1997. The workman filed complaint before the President Industrial Tribunal. The workman challenged the said order by filing civil application number 460 of 1998, and the High Court dismissed the same. Two members of the Industrial Court conducted preliminary inquiry on the complaint of the workman against the respondent and concluded against him. Aggravated by the order in special civil application number 460 of 1998, both the workman and employer full stop, they came to be disposed of the common order terms of settlement arrived at between the parties. The inquiry officer passed the final order. The High Court recovered tentative decision accepting the inquiry report. The respondent was dismissed from service on 19th November 2007. Challenging the same, the respondent officer preferred the special civil application of 2008 before the High Court. It has allowed the application and set aside the inquiry report and order of dismissal passed against the appellant. Aggravated by the same on the administrative side, the High Court has preferred the present appeal. The employer filed first miscellaneous application number 92 of 1993 to set aside the ex parte award in reference number 490 full stop. The employer filed another miscellaneous application of 1997 praying to set aside the same ex parte award, and that was allowed to the delinquent officer. On the complaint of workman of inquiry was conducted and the inquiry officer found that the order passed by the delinquent officer amounts to review of the order passed by his predecessors in dismissing the miscellaneous application of the employer. Moreover, the employer in his second application did not refer to the filing against dismissal of his earlier application seeking for the same relief and further did not allege that his second application was beyond time and there was no discussion and finding in the order passed by the delinquent officer as to the ground on which the delay was condoned. In the conclusion, the inquiry officer held that the delinquent officer had allowed miscellaneous application number 37 of 1997 in the execution proceedings going out of the way to help the employer and to favor him, brushing aside the legal contentions and objections raised by the workmen to the said miscellaneous application. The division bench observed that though the employer had not disclosed about his earlier application, the workman in his reply filed to the second application had disclosed the same and also produced copies of the earlier proceedings as evidence, and the omission to mention about the earlier application would not amount to suppression since facts were known to both the parties. The division bench further held that the finding of the inquiry officer that the delinquent officer had reviewed the earlier order is erroneous since the order passed by the delinquent officer was not in exercise of review jurisdiction and he never be treated it so and rejected the conclusion of the inquiry officer that the delinquent officer did not properly appreciate the objection raised by the workman. Insofar as the finding of the inquiry officer with regard to entertaining of time barred second miscellaneous application of the employer in the execution proceedings and condonation of delay, the division bench held that the power to extend the period for setting aside ex parte award is conferred on the labor court under Rule 26A, and though the delinquent officer has not stated so in his order, the appeal preferred against the said order was summarily dismissed by the High Court, and in the further appeal the parties have arrived at settlement, and it renders the issue of limitation and condonation of delay more or less academic. The division bench was of the opinion that prima facie the delinquent officer did try to be judicious and it is sufficient to absolve him from charge. Full stop. स्टूडेंट्स, ये जो आपके वर्ड हैं आपके लीगल मैटर है, क्योंकि ये आपका लीगल मैटर भी आ सकता है कहीं से भी, कैसे भी वर्ड आ सकते हैं, और जो वर्ड आपको जैसे बार बार आता है जैसे मिससेलेनियस है, उसका कोई भी आप एक शॉर्ट में बना के एक जैसे एम है तो एम ही डाल दिया, एम पे एक सर्कल लगा के उसमें डाल दीजिए, क्योंकि वो बार बार आपको पहचान हो जाएगी मिससेलेनियस यहाँ पे है। और बार बार वर्ड आता है आप MISC भी डाल सकते हो और वहाँ पे डो डाल सकते हो, फिर वहाँ पे समझ जाएंगे कि वो आपका मिससेलेनियस है। अगर बार बार वर्ड में आता है तो शॉर्ट में भी लिख सकते हैं आप इसको आप टाइप कीजिए। अगर एक बार से डिक्टेशन आपसे नहीं लिखी जा रही तो उसको दोबारा से हेडफोन लगाइए। मैं बार बार यही कहता हूँ कि दोबारा से आप डिक्टेशन को लिखिए और इसको टाइप ज़रूर कीजिए। अब आपकी नेक्स्ट सेशन होगा आपका द हिंदू एडिटोरियल का डिक्टेशन, जो आपको लिखनी है और इसको टाइप करना है। स्टॉप।